Hello. Okay, so I'm gonna be, Lord willing, trying to do something this coming year. We'll see, where I go on nature walks and I talk with you. This idea just came as I was walking and praying. I love to go outside and walk and pray and, of course, dance. And so it felt right in my spirit when this idea came. And so I see a butterfly. Oh, do you hear that? I think maybe that was a hawk. So once a week I will record and you'll go on a little hiking journey with me and we'll just talk. And the point of this, I guess, overall, what I feel inside me is sort of like the purpose of these nature walks is twofold, threefold, maybe four different goals. But number one is just to encourage inward, internal peace and calm and rest. The second is I hope that isn't it so beautiful back there? Look at the sky. That's why I love doing this, because everywhere I look, it's like, oh, it's so lovely. But yeah, so you can ask me questions in the comments, and then each week I will pick, one of the questions or more, and I'll just talk about that as we walk, okay? And beyond it being a peaceful time and a time to just converse, I may dance for you at points, maybe. And also I'll tell you about different things that I'm doing, namely for this go around. I have a journal, Lord willing, that's going to be coming out in, I thought it was going to be a month, but it's probably going to be more like 2 months before I'm able to get it available for purchase. But I'm really looking forward to that, and I'm really excited. So anyway, come do some nature walks with me, talk with me, and dance with me, pray with me, play with me, and we'll do some journaling together and stuff of that nature. Okay, I better get going now. Sending my love. I wish you a blessed week, and hi. Let's dance.